there, I'm Margaux from ServiceTitan. Today we're going to walk through the release notes for ST-66 and how that will affect you as a technician on the mobile side. First thing we're going to look at is the invoice summary being required. Now the office can go in and have the invoice summary be required on certain job types or just across the board for certain technicians. So you may start to see this being required more and more once your office sets this up. As you can see here now, it's going to be marked as required. It's going to try to remind you here on the invoice screen, but also on the closeout screen, just like if there's a signature that you've forgotten, it's also going to ask you to complete that invoice summary. This is a good way to remind you to keep track of what work is being completed on this job so that it's transparent to the customers on their invoice. The next thing we're going to take a look at is actually related to the Pricebook. So in the past, you were able to attach assets to things like the service tasks, but now you can actually attach it to materials. So I'm going to click here into a material. Once I click in here, you can see that there is a PDF that's attached, so you can click into it, click that PDF, and then whatever PDF is attached here, you'll be able to present to your customer on your tablet. The last things we're going to talk about are related to financing. So for those of you who use GreenSky or GoodLeap, now the office can actually set it up. So when you send out those online estimate links, it's actually going to have a button for them to apply for the financing through that portal as well. So it's not something you're going to see on your side. You're still going to be sending out estimates, but just know it's a possibility. Your office can set this up so they can fill out that financing later as well. So it's going to look something like this. Once they click the button, it's going to show them that their estimates are available, and then they can click the apply for financing button. Then the flyout will open, whether it's GreenSky or if it's GoodLeap, then they will be able to start filling out that application right through the browser. And speaking of GreenSky, for technicians who have required videos they need to watch for their required training, you can actually do that now before actually dispatching out to the job, so you can get that training done while you're on good Wi-Fi, whether in the office or at home beforehand. That's it for us today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you next time.